Oh, hello everyone. This is Rose from MXNavi, and I'm really excited to see you all here again in this meeting. And today I would like to share our NDS related productions in MXNavi, also share the story of NDS.Live happened between NDS and us. Wait for a moment. And this is a topic list for today. It will include 4 parts. And the first one, I would like to shortly introduce my company to all of you. And then it's a part of product introduction, which is related with NDS.Live. And the third part is the issue or problem when we met. When we tried to push NDS.Live to volume product. And the last part is the challenge still left. MXNavi established at 2008, and now we have more than 1,300 employees. Our host is in Shenyang, China. We are the largest independent intelligent navigation software provider, the major NDS product supplier, and we are the first commercialization product for cross-sourcing map system in China. We are the intelligent vehicle software and the scenario-based travel solution provider. And MXNavi are willing to cooperate with you more in deep and join it promote the development of industry. And here is a journey in NDS. And our NDS journey is start from 2010, and in 2016, the first NDS navigation system was started volume product. And since 2019, we began to release the NDS date for China, Japan, and South Korea for navigation system. Also, since 2020, we began the development for NDS next generation, NDS.Live. And now we are trying to push NDS.Live into volume production. Here is the production list in MXNavi, which related with NDS.Live. And we have already tried to upgrade this product into NDS.Live now in our company. And here you can see that it not only included the navigation system, but also included the intelligent driving system. Besides this, we also link our new crossing map platform into NDS.Live and take NDS.Live as the product date format to our customer. So next, I will shortly go through the product here. The first one is the land level navigations. We promote land level navigation product in production at the end of 2018 for the first time, which is also the first few companies to launch such production in the world. And in the production, it includes the land positioning, land rendering, and the land navigation, which can clearly inform the selected land and the time of land change in advance. And next is about the, for a moment, I will just close the sound, about the fusion navigation. And fusion navigation is just a new form that integrates our navigation engine together with other engines. And in this case, we can provide more customers' needs. And our fusion navigation not only provided the game level rendering effect, support for stack customizations for data, also the science and HMI, but also collaborate with mature navigation product at home and abroad to create a highly quality solution for our customer. And next is Leo. In the past, the navigation is a tool for travel. It will guide us from point A to point B, as we all know that vehicle is a third space now of life. And by the end of map desktop, we need to show more service on the map. So we reshape the information service space and establish a connect point between users and service. Through the Leo map, you can see that the landmark, the brand, the region are all shown in 3 models. different user will get more and different service in different scenario to explore more fun during the travel. And next is the next is our traditional product is about HP, and here we just follow the NDS standard, and this production can be provided together with navigation or separately. I will just. And here is another product from MXNavi, the Human Vehicle Co-Pilot driving system. And this system is based on the land level navigation map, also displaying the perception content and the decisions making of the assistant driving system. And let's quickly go through the next one. Is MXNavi Intelligent Driving Navigation Midware product. Also a new product in our site. Just integrate SD or SD Plus map, integrate map matching capability, provide a specialized optimized position and guide capability for the intelligent driving scenarios, and provide the lightweight data layer such as experience speed layer, and provide the standard output according to the need of the intelligent driving system. We just want to use this product to help the intelligent driving system continually improve the driving experience in minor sites such as the lane changing, also the speed control. And the last product related with NDS in MXNavi is the cross-sourcing map system, which will include the vehicle perceptions and the local mappings, the cloud map plannings, automatic mapping, just a new way to, here, just a new way. Wait for a moment, there's some mistake with my presentations. Oh, sorry about this. And this is the introduction about the cross-sourcing map system. And I said that this system is just provide a closed loop solution from vehicle to vehicle based on the vehicle perceptions. And we will do some cloud map plannings, automatic mappings. And based on this system, we can create and update the data in lane level, also in link level. And also with this system, map data operation cost is more lower and the map data is more fresher. And this is all the product introduction related with NDS.Live in MXNavi. And next, I would like to share some stories here with you all about the issues we met during volume production. The first issues here is about the hybrid navigations. As we all know that the first chapter in NDS.Live is live. So it means that the internet connection is needed. But in reality, no net or weak signal is a common scenarios. How to make sure the navigation function workable in those scenarios is the task we got from customers. So offline navigation or hybrid navigations will be as a supplement to online navigation is needed by the market. So I'm sure that this is also the topic we discussed in NDS.Live working group meeting many times. And also in NDS, we have already introduced such like smart layer file store to support this. And this solution can resolve most travel except the offline search functions, which need high efficiency. About this, we propose to use the similar solutions, and also we have already do this in our project that we use the NDS Classic Circlite FTS5 as the offline data storage struct. And in this case, when the internet signal is okay, and all those search data will be stored first in OnLens. And when the internet signal is okay, we will download those data and cache on board to make sure that the search function is workable when the net signal is not good. So this is the first try we do here in NDS.Live. And another one is also that, as we all know, NDS.Live is a fast integrating format, and its format definition is going to be complete. Some customers' requirements are not yet supported, and not intended to be supported in the current format. So from project point of view, we want to meet our production schedule. So we will define some customer layers. And for examples, here in our project, you can see that in our production, a lot of function is based on LAN level navigations. And currently, the LAN building block and the link building block is already completely decoupled in NDS.Live. But based on our engine, they want to know the relation between link and LAN. So this is the task for us to how to introduce those informations into NDS.Live. So we choose the LAN layer plus a road geometry layer to combine the BMD LAN and the routing in NDS Classic. But here we have also another trouble with road Z levels. Because you know that because in China Z attribute is not allowed to be stored in database. So we have to provide another attribute or another way to describe whether the road is overlapped with each others, and who is the up and who is the down. So in this case, we just use the customer layers, and we will define some customers layer to make our MXNavi and NDS.Live to fulfill the customer's requirement. So this is the second issue or second things we met here. And the third part is also the cost, because production, we cannot avoid the topic of cost. So here, as a map become more and more high definitions, so the requirement of rendering are the same. Those factors, those requirements just make the data size growing very, very big. So if the data just generate or distribute in the live way, the traffic cost will be very high. So here we just use another way, just using the storage of as NDS, and we will just pre-calculate something and rebuild something as NDS smart layer tail and store those in storage. And in this case, we can decrease size requirement, decrease the cost, and making it more abnormal and benefit for project implementation. Additionally, so the major caching storage strategy can also reduce the cost. So this is we have already done here in MXNavi product. And the last part is the challenges. We are still try to discuss or try to find the solutions here. And I think most of I also noticed the other members here join this meeting also point out the same issues here or same topic. And we have three of them. The first one is about the validation and the certification. And the second one is about the scenario performance issues. And the third one is about the format version backward capability issues. So we have to, because for the third issues, we have if we introduce NDS.Live into production, then we have to consider the upgrade problem. So those 3 issues are now under discussion with working group. And I think we will go ongoing and active join the discussion together with other NDS members and to make our NDS format better and better. So here is all my speech. So thank you for all your time. Unfortunately, I cannot travel to Germany this time. And I hope I can join next meeting and join this meeting next time and have a face-to-face communication with you all. So Max, this is all for myself.
So thank you, Rose. So we have a few questions in the Q&A forum. I would like to ask you 4 short answers if possible. Number 1 here is, what is the source of traffic light data for lane level navigation? What is the source of traffic light data for lane level navigation?
Sorry, wait for a moment. The source date. Currently, for our productions or the production in our company, we have 2 kinds of source. The first one is coming routed suppliers, and another one is just generated based on our cross-sourcing map system.
I think there's a second. Thank you. There's a second question. I think it is answered already. What kind of map data the lane navigation is based on? Actually, essentially, that's the same question from another person. And then you mentioned the crowdsourcing platform from your side. Can you please have a brief introduction about the successful business case in a crowdsourcing platform context?
Actually, here in our side, we have already some commercial project with OEM in China with cross-sourcing map platform, and we are just based on the perceptions from the car end and do some automatically map plannings and mappings on the cloud and generated the map date, and the map date will be used directly in navigation, also in intelligent driving system, like the NOA functions in China.
Okay, thank you. Then one more, providing NDS.Live for German OEMs. Is the OEM using your NDS.Live map data directly, or does the NDS.Live map data need to be recompiled?
In Germany or?
Yeah, in Germany.
Actually, we will have some compiler system. We will compile it again and just compile the system into our MXNavi format and just using the NDS directly. Okay,
then last question here, at least from the online participants, concerning the closed loop for crowdsourced data. What quality measure process you have in place to ensure that the map data quality is not degrading?
About the accuracy, that here, because currently the cross-sourcing map system in MXNavi is directly based on the perceptions from the car end, and also we have some other ways or other source here to make sure the map data quality, also the map data accuracy here. So different way, not directly only depending on the single source from perceptions.
Okay, thanks. I mean, for the sake of time, thank you, Rose, again. For the sake of time, I would say we go to the next presentation. So people having questions here on site, I'm happy to connect you with Rose so you can ask your questions after the meeting. Unfortunately, she cannot be here today, as she said. Rose, thank you very much again. Enjoy your evening, China. Bye.
Bye.